Now we're going to analyze the property. And that's what I'm doing at this step. And here are the most important numbers. I'll make this really simple for you, right? We have to find out what the ARV is. This is the after repair value. This is the future value once a property is renovated. We then have the repairs cost. This is how much the cost of the renovation of this property to actually achieve the after repair value. Then your wholesale fee, important to know and understand. And then we have the purchase price. So with these numbers, that's what I do on every single deal that we analyze. How do I calculate this? Let's go into that right now. This rule is ARV times 70% minus repairs cost minus wholesale fee. Now this will determine your purchase price, and they call it MAO, maximum allowable offer. So this is a skill that you're going to stink at in the beginning if you've never worked on it, and that's completely fine. All this is about reps. I'm no smarter than you, let me tell you. I've just worked at this more. I just put more reps in a very limited amount of time, and then I had awesome results.